Ladies and gentlemen, I know you have all been waiting for the update on the Silver Eagle that Kyle bought.
Well, it's almost done.
We all saw the video where Kyle was forking over those hundos, buying this bus. We saw it when it broke down. He had to get it towed home. That was quite a while ago. That was like the beginning of all this craziness, maybe April when you bought it, or?
Yeah.
So here we are almost 6 months later. How much progress have you had on the Silver Eagle so far?
Well, now that it's almost done.
A huge thanks to Dean Laux Fine Art for sponsoring today's video.
If you have any kind of repair work, you can bring it in. Doesn't matter if it's Liberty Coach or any other brand, we can repair cracked areas, stone chips. We can paint those at our shop. We do front end clear bra, the stone guard. We do the ceramic coat there.
Oh, look at that. So this is the ceramic coating, ladies and gentlemen.
It's just gone.
It's just gone.
I have several different things that if you're going right through 80-90 across top of Indiana, you could stop by and have us do some work for you.
Let's go take a look inside. I'm expecting it's almost done. So
It's almost done, yeah.
I'm really curious what we're gonna see in here.
Come on in.
So this is what almost done looks like. I don't think this is ready to go on tour, buddy.
Hey, we're ready.
What?
We're ready. Hey, so look at the bathroom.
Oh, you did tear it. Okay, the
Bathroom's torn
floor's been torn up.
Yeah, we're figuring out
Wow,
what we're
dude,
doing.
look how rotted out it is in there. Well, so
There you go. We've been working on the engine a little bit. Yeah, well, it's not almost ready to go, but we
So-
got really busy.
you got it in gear. So
Yeah,
we'll
yeah.
drive now?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it'll start. Let's see if we can get it to start. I moved it over here the other day.
It is in a different position, I will give you that. It's over here by the rest of the junkyard dogs over here. Or it's over here by the rest of Kyle's projects over here. He's
they're
got some projects. Let's see if she fires. Dude,
Right up.
first pole, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on, you guys got to hear this real quick. I got to run back there. Let's see if it stays. Will it stay running?
Yeah, look at this bad boy. Oh, smoky, but you know.
Woo! Okay,
Look at that beauty.
it runs now. Does it drive?
Well, yes.
In first gear.
No, it'll go in all the gears. It just won't go in reverse. So as we're parked here, we're a little stuck.
So no reverse. We're making progress.
Well, it does do reverse. We have to stick a screwdriver in there for the solenoid. There's a button at the front that you hit and it shoots a solenoid out to put it into reverse. It's not getting power, so we have to get it in the shop and get it on the lifts to get power to it and see what's going on. So it's an easy fix. So we end up sticking a pry bar or screwdriver in there and then we can put it in gear at that point.
I do like these old cars here. I'm curious to see what Kyle does with these. This is pretty cool. An old Dodge, an old Galaxy over there. How about that?
Well, the problem is,
What's going on, buddy? Are we? Oh, you got to stall it out. Is that how you turn it off?
it wouldn't go off, so I just stalled it.
I never knew that stalling a coach would have an advantage. That's
There you go.
That's thinking outside the box. I wouldn't have thought of that. What kind of a time frame can the folks on YouTube expect this to be totally decked out with like a super cool conversion?
Well, I would say probably a year, to be honest, because we're so busy here on customer coaches right now that I got to get all those done. Customers come first before project buses. But I do want to get this thing done because this is actually a passion. So I don't know, it's a weird passion, but obviously everyone watching this has that same weird passion.
I appreciate that, man. Customers first. So, and a huge thanks to all of you that are bringing your coaches to Kyle at Border Coach
Yeah, we
Leasing for
appreciate the
repair
work.
work. That's going to help fuel. He needs to fix a lot of buses to make enough money to be able to do this, because you got your work cut out here. So
Absolutely.
what kind of work have you guys been doing? What kind of repair work have you guys been doing lately?
Right now, we're actually doing a full conversion on a customer's bus, which we're doing some video of. It's a 2003 Country Coach double slide, beautiful coach that we're doing a whole new interior on and updating to, 2020, well, 2021 by the time we're done with it. We're doing a lot of tile work on customer coaches, as you can hear the tile saw going in the background.
Let's walk over there real
lot of
quick while we're
mechanical.
talking about it. So, yeah, and I've had a couple of my clients that I've been doing some consulting for have brought coaches in for inspections, and Kyle has saved a lot of headaches. So we just made a video about that. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below talking about some of the stuff Kyle does here. But let's go give you guys a sneak peek some of these projects. Kyle's just got Pravos lined up for days. That's a cool. I want to see what's going on. And this is a weird, is this an MCI?
Yeah,
or?
we got a flat tire. They came in with a flat tire, so we still got to fix that. It's MCI. We're going to end up doing a full paint job on it and doing all the tile work in the interior.
Is that the same tile out of your buddy's country coach?
Yeah.
Nice. This is a super nice entryway. Cody's one of the guys behind the scenes here doing some amazing work over here at Border Coach Leasing. And
You can kind of see that.
we're gonna try to get Kyle, we're gonna try to get some more footage to show you guys when this is all done. But thank you, man.
All graded out.
Yeah,
More
so
parking.
it's looking a little, you're getting a little more organized around here. It's
Yep.
cool to see you growing. Man, there you go. Hustling. This is how you guys get such a great value here. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but Kyle's got these guys hustling out here to make sure these buses get repaired, because he's goofing off making YouTube videos with me here. But yeah, some of the coaches lined up. Now, you sold the one bus that I drove?
Yes.
That's sold. Whoever got that bus, that's a great...
It's still here. We're doing some repairs
Oh.
on it for him.
Repairs? How, I thought it was ready to be sold.
No, he wanted. We didn't have 365s on the tags, and I did the new rims and nuts and studs and everything
Nice.
on the front, and put 365s in the front. He wanted it to be equal on the back, which I agree with. I just didn't have time to do it, and so we ended up doing that, and we're gonna ship it off to North Carolina, I believe, is where he's at.
Any of these buses for sale?
Oh, every bus is for sale, isn't it?
Everything's for sale. Okay,
Everything's for sale.
we're about to make another video,
Uh-oh.
and I'm gonna try to buy a bus because I want to buy a Prevost, and I don't know where else to go. There's not a lot of inventory, so we're gonna try to beat Kyle up on some of these coaches and see. But let's go check out that country coach that you're doing some work on. That was, man, I kind of like these silver. I like the looks of these silver XL2s.
Yeah.
Which one's the salvage title?
This guy right here.
That's the salvage title.
That's what I'm saying.
That may have my name on it. It's got a little D-Lam.
We got-
I am not afraid of a little D-Lam.
No, that one's not D-Lam.
315s.
No, this is solid.
Buddy, look at this right here, dude. It's had the repair, but it's
Yeah, no, this
maybe
is
not.
solid.
Okay, it is solid, yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's D-Lam.
This
Right?
is D-Lam, bro, right here.
Okay,
This is real D-Lam.
this is real D-Lam. Okay.
I haven't done it yet.
Yeah,
No,
that's...
this is solid.
Okay, all right. So,
Look,
nah, it's... I guess it is.
yeah.
No, that's some minor D-Lam. Not the same level. I mean, that's
off.
Eddie Money's tour bus. Still sad to see these tour buses sitting out here, but I gotta tip my hat to Kyle for being resilient and really stepping up the motorhome repair business, because Kyle's not missing a beat. He's staying busy here. Thank you, Enterprise Rental Car, for hooking it up. F-150 Platinum rental car. Have you ever seen that?
Michael. So here's the whole new front end updating.
So getting ready to put a whole new front end on this coach. What else are you gonna do to this coach?
Oh, ripping out the whole interior pretty much. Refinishing all the cabinets.
Oh, can we kill that music or? Okay, a little loud in there, a lot of work going on. Kyle, if folks want to have you do some repair work or some of this kind of work on their coach, how can they get a hold of you?
Kyle at bordercoachleasing.com.
Greatly appreciate all of you liking these videos and subscribing to the channel. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.
Thank you guys.